guys, and we are the group team, and we are presenting the introduction of the dual cycle and thermodynamics. And we'll talk about how to solve problems, explain why it's important, and the thermodynamic cycle that provides Otto and diesel cycle characteristics. Also called the main cycle or the kinetic pressure cycle. Use of model to read internal combustion engines more accurately. So, based on the information, mixed cycle or the liquid pressure cycle is a mix gas and fuel based on the information that can mix fuel mixture into gas mixture. And we use to model with internal combustion engines to make the diesel cycle, Otto cycle, and dual cycle example. Constant pressure process. This is the first one. The second one is isotropic process, constant volume process, and the ignition, the power stroke, the pneumatic expansion, compression stroke, adiabatic compression, intake stroke, exhaust stroke, and the Q1 out, Q1, and Q in. What is this? And adiabatic type of process or diagrams. When you see a green pictures, it means it's volume, it's the valves, push the gas, and you can see red ones, these are the pressures. Based on the pictures, as you can see, this is the valves, okay, the connecting rod, the pistons, the crankshaft, and also the temperature. And the TS diagram have a temperature having entropy. This first process means that you have a low volume and low temperature. And the second process is it's a high volume but low pressure. And the third picture is high temperature but low volume. The third process is high pressure and low temperature. The last process is high pressure but very low temperature and very low volume. The next one is why it's important. Real engines don't follow pure motor diesel cycles. Dual cycles give a better approximation of modern engine operation, helps in engine efficiency analysis and design of the vehicle. So, based on the second information, dual cycle gives a better approximation of engine operation of how they make to create a good engine that can give a good source of fuel mixture or a mixture operations and give a better performance in engines. And help engines efficiency analysis design great. Mostly more efficient, the more analysis that can make the engine you design better, the more reliable performance, peak-to-peak performance. And that's the last one for me, and the next one.
So, as you can see the screen, this is an example of piston template. So, air intake, the light blue is the air intake. So, that is the example. Then the blue is the pressure, and then also the red is the fuel injector and combination. That is the example. Red is temperature. So, as you can see in the video is diyan makita kung saan pag circulate siya piston kung kanya. Diba rin siya air, buwan siya sa sa air intake, mag-concentrate, tapos CIE, pag-pump sa piston sa CIE, gawa sa exhaust. Sumano siya parang may lupasyon. For example siya. Then, kanang kita niyo sa video na na-air-rate din natin na kumayat pa-memoret. Kaya wala siya parang fuel, then kanang pressure sa temperature. So, this picture, as you can see, this is the cycle of the first one. So, this is the first. This first picture is the air fuel, which is the first stove, which is the air fuel we're going and when the piston of this, it's what we call the second stove. It is the pressure. It is compress the fuel and air, and the first stove, what we call power and spark. So this time, when we shall know compress the fuel, the last stroke, which is the first stroke, is the exhaust, which is after the combustion, the heat is removed by exhaust. So it develops the bridge, the gap between Nova and the diesel cycle. It introduces engine aerodynamic studies and reflects really.
So the five processes in the one cycle is first, asymptotic compression. Asymptotic compression is the air-fuel mixture with no heat exchange. And the second is constant volume heat addition. Heat is added at constant volume, like in Otto cycle. Third is constant pressure heat addition. The constant pressure heat addition is additional heat added at constant pressure, like in the diesel cycle. And the fourth is asymptotic expansion. Expansion of the gas is going on also adiabatic and reversible. And five is constant volume heat rejection. Six is rejected from the system heat addition in one cycle. It is split into two stages, which is first at constant volume and then at constant pressure. Better than represented combustion.
So one day, first look into your intake, operational power, stroke. So ang intake is, wala siya, reload siya o
Bro?
niya, bumabalik siya, reload siya. After the pagka, siya natawag na yung compressor. After sa compressor, pababa sa piston, wala siya, makakaw siya, focus o bumaba na siya, baba bumaba siya, wala siya, nagawa sa kalayo ng exhaust, so wala siya, condition, so wala siya.
Oh.
This is the porno line to the right. This is cardiac, and this is condition system. This is the power plant, airplane, and refrigerator. This cardiac is water in and water out, used for the engine, all engines, and everything in the system to produce the and follow the heat of the engine. Power plant is to
Produce
environment, produce
current.
air or condition. This is airplane. Airplane.
Okay.
This is human body. Wala yung human body, wala din create project or
Yung gigdaan mo?
make the
Cellphone?
In refrigerator is the way it is intake is the holding of the room for refrigerator, and the way it exhausts the way how you open the refrigerator. And for the energy conservation is how you exhale. That is the intake part, and the exhaust part there is the way you release the breath. The loss of thermodynamics is also partly on the engine dual. Real-world application use analysis of high-speed diesel engine, such as diesel engines in automobiles. For example, cars and trucks. Reasons: there is the engine experience heat and addition partly at constant volume and partly at constant pressure, matching the dual cycle model. And for commercial and heavy-duty vehicles such as trucks, bulldozers, and tractors, reason is high-load diesel engines in those machines operate under condition best modeled by the dual cycle for accurate performance analysis. And the reason why we build is to help engineers to optimize performance and fuel efficiency. So, such as this, the dual cycle of the energy conservation. So, example 1, our given is compression ratio is 18, heat added at constant volume is 800 kilojoules per kilogram. And heat added at constant pressure is 400 kilojoules per kilogram. Then our requirement is find the thermal efficiency at the dual cycle. So here are our given 18 compressed ratio and 800 kilojoules per kilogram total volume. Then our heat added constant pressure is 400 kilojoules per kilogram. So our formula for finding the efficiency is 1 minus 1 over R over K minus isentropic minus 1 times compression ratio is 18, then our heat added constant volume is 800 kilojoules per kilogram, then heat constant pressure is 400 kilojoules per kilogram. Then find the AFF or efficiency of the dual cycle. Our formula of finding the efficiency is 1 minus 1 over heat ratio over isentropic minus 1, then times pressure ratio, then cutoff ratio over isentropic minus 1, then minus 1, then ito naman is pressure ratio minus 1 plus cutoff ratio times cutoff ratio minus 1. Our solving is first is substitute. So we have to substitute the EFF equals 1 minus 1. Just substitute it in. Then our efficiency now is 2 over 1.4 equals 2.64. Then we have to solve for our numerator. So 2.5 times 2.64 minus 1 equals 6.6 minus 1 equals 5.6. And for denominator is 1.5 plus 1.4 times 2.5 equals 1.5 plus 3.5 equals 50. So now we have to solve the efficiency. So efficiency equals 1 minus over 1 over 3.17 then times 5.6 over 5.0 then equals 1 minus 1.12 over 3.17 equals 1 minus 0.35